Check it out, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I mean, come on. You can't deny that that's beautiful. And we've got 3 of them now. Hopefully the one up front is still alive. I don't know. We have it in a pot. I keep crossing my fingers that I'm going to see it pop up and do something like this, but so far, no dice. Okay, hello everybody. So, plants. We have plants. I have 3 new lavender, and then that fluffy pink and white thing is an English daisy. It is supposed to be a perennial for our zone. We're zone 7A technically. But today, none of those are going to be going in the ground. Ooh, there's a lot of sunlight there. Hold on. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so today we are going to be planting around the tree that went into the ground. It is our 2nd Rose of Sharon tree, and we have these really, really beautiful lime green plants that are going to go around the outside and sort of, well, we're hoping that they kind of grow in a circle. And it's going to be really pretty with that tree, just because of the color of the blooms. It's going to be kind of a pinky purpley bloom on that tree, and then having that really, really pretty lime green leaf down below is going to be, it's going to be stunning together. So without further ado, let me turn you around and show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so let me adjust you here. You're a little short. Okay, there we go. So we ended up getting 3 of these guys to go around this tree here. It's gonna kind of just be a beautiful, bright green leaf. I don't know if I'm going to be pronouncing this right, but it is a Heuchera Little Cutie Sweet Tart. And it's supposed to have bright pink and white flowers. So it's gonna look adorable right there with that tree. All right, let's go on ahead and get this thing done. Alright, now that I've got the 3 in, I'm going to go on ahead and add some mulch and a ring around here so that the guy who mows our lawn doesn't chop them to bits. Okay guys, so that is the Heuchera in for the spring. Cross your fingers for us that it's going to spread out and turn into a really gorgeous lime green beautifulness. But now I'm going to go on ahead and head inside and get some bread baking going and just, I don't know, maybe take a little bit of time and do some Bible reading out back in the garden. So until next time guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. Take care. See you on the next one.